Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to use the Calculator app on your iPhone. Start by opening the Calculator app from your home screen. You'll see a simple calculator with numbers and basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Tap the numbers and symbols to perform your calculation. If you enter a number by mistake, tap the remove arrow to delete it. To clear your entire calculation, tap the AC button. To view your calculation history, tap the history button in the top left corner. You can delete a single calculation by swiping it from right to left. To remove multiple entries, tap edit. Select the calculations you want to delete and tap delete. To clear all history at once, tap clear, then confirm by tapping clear history. For more advanced functions, tap the calculator icon at the bottom left. You can switch between basic, scientific, and math notes. There's also a converter option, which allows you to convert currencies. And that's it. You can now easily perform calculations, access advanced features, and manage your calculation history on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.